Hi, my name is Jason Perkins. I'm an attorney that specializes in representing injured workers in Georgia workers' compensation claims. Today, I wanted to talk to you about a question that I get from a lot of people who contact me. The question is whether if they have a pre-existing condition and then they suffer an injury at work, whether that injury is covered by Georgia workers' compensation law. Now, I'm happy to tell you that it is. Aggravation injuries are covered in Georgia. You may have questions about exactly what an aggravation is. Let me give you a couple of examples. Suppose a few years before your injury at work, you had some medical treatment on your back, maybe for a herniated disc. And then a few years later, you bend over to pick up something at work and you hurt your back again. If you had a pre-existing condition in your back and the injury at work, when you bent over and picked up the box, let's say, aggravated that pre-existing condition, that's an example of an aggravation injury. Now, how are aggravation injuries treated under Georgia workers' compensation law? Basically, they're treated, for the most part, the same as other injuries. You can still receive wage loss benefits for aggravation injuries if you miss work as a result of those injuries. You can also receive medical benefits if you need treatments because of those injuries. The primary difference between aggravation injuries and other workers' compensation injuries is what's often referred to as resolution of aggravation, or return to baseline. What does that mean? Basically, it means if your employer or the workers' compensation insurance company can show that your aggravation has resolved, you're not covered anymore under workers' compensation. You wouldn't be entitled to further medical benefits or further wage loss benefits. What this would basically mean is that your pre-existing condition is the same as it was before. And the important thing to understand about this is that it's the insurance company's burden to prove that this has happened. You don't have to prove that it hasn't happened. It's going to often require them to go to court to prove this. And it may require medical opinions from the doctors that are treating you or from some other doctors. Now, if this issue is coming up in your case, it can be very complicated and fact-intensive. It'd probably be good to talk to an attorney. If you're dealing with issues of an aggravation or any other issues in your Georgia workers' compensation claim, I'd be happy to talk to you. You can contact me through our website or call me at 770-214-8885 to set up a free consultation. I hope you found this video helpful today. If you have, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up on YouTube. Thanks for your time today.